Yeah, what did you say last time? That's like enough for another lesson, right? All right, so we started off with our basic box with the timing. Very important, this is the fundamental, is the timing of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Some of the technique, remember you want to make sure that you finish the step with your foot. Then we went into a crossbody lead, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. From there, we each are going to take the crossbody lead, and then we're going to go into an open rumba walk. So we have slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick. Okay, keep rolling. We have the bonus. I didn't know if I could do this because any kind of spiraling actions really messes up the knee. So we did half a basic, slow, quick, quick, slow, into a crossover. And we do a rock, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, close, and then we finish. Okay? Thank you very much for coming.